Hi, good evening everyone. This is Shefali Singla, and in this session we are going to discuss the previous year questions on DBMS and digital logics. We have already covered the previous year questions from data structures and algorithms which were asked in 2020. तो हम पहले 2020 वाले पेपर को fully analyze करेंगे, then we'll go to the previous paper. Like that, we'll be covering the previous year papers for all the subjects. All right. तो जिन लोगों के कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हैं दे कैन राइट द आंसर्स इन द चैट सेक्शन एंड इफ इट्स नॉट क्लियर एटलीस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन इन डिटेल तो दिस विल बी लाइक लर्निंग द कॉन्सेप्ट्स थ्रू द क्वेश्चंस तो क्वेश्चंस के थ्रू भी आप कॉन्सेप्ट्स को अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो सो इट्स बोथ द वे वेरी गुड इवनिंग प्रशांत विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम आई गेस कुछ रिकैप नहीं है बस पिछले सेशन में हम लोगों ने 2020 के डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड एल्गोरिथम्स के क्वेश्चन किए आज वाले सेशन में हम दोनों के खत्म करेंगे डीबीएमएस एंड डिजिटल जिन लोगों ने अभी तक पेपर नहीं फिल किया बेटा 14th जून इज द लास्ट डेट अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10 days टू गो लास्ट डेट तक लास्ट मोमेंट तक इसको मत रखो कई बार लास्ट मोमेंट पे कुछ ना कुछ इशू आ जाता है एंड यू मे एंड अप बाय मिसिंग द डेडलाइन सो डोंट डू दैट 3 साल के बाद वैकेंसीज आई हैं तो टाइमली अपने फॉर्म को फिल कर लो okay this is the first question which was asked in ISRO from digital just give it a try हर क्वेश्चन के लिए मैं आपको 30 सेकेंड से 60 सेकेंड्स का टाइम दूंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चन को पढ़ लो अंडरस्टैंड कर लो एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन सो दिस इज फ्रॉम डिजिटल जहां पे आपको एक सर्किट डायग्राम दिया हुआ है एंड इट इज आस्किंग फॉर द आउटपुट पे कंडीशन गिवन है आउटपुट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय जेड और यहाँ पे पूछा है कि कौन सी कंडीशन में जेड की वैल्यू 1 होगी but before that first of all you need to get the equation for this circuit diagram this is the AND gate yes then we are given with the OR gate I guess green ink is not visible and this is NOR gate and this is again the AND gate. Just try to get the equation. OR gate and we have AND gate. Identify the logic gates, get the equation and on the basis of that identify that what should be the value of x or what should be the relation between the value of x and y. जस्ट राइट इन द चैट सेक्शन की क्वेश्चन पहले आपको ट्राई करना है या डायरेक्टली मैं क्वेश्चन शो करूं और सॉल्यूशन डिस्कस करना शुरू कर दूं व्हाट डू यू वांट I'm comfortable in both the cases I don't have any problem what do you guys want you want to try the questions first okay by the time I'll be getting a response so let's try with the first question here it is saying that this is the OR gate यानी कि दो conditions आएंगी जिनके बीच में आपको OR apply करना है first one is this is x1 AND gate है so x1 and this is I'm so sorry this is the input coming from this is y1 and this bubble is representing it's not so it is x1 into y1 complement so this is the input for Z for the first term. Second will be it is Y1. This is NOR gate. So and X1 plus Y1. And since this is NOR, so I'll be taking the complement of this term. And the next one is it is X0 and Y0 bubbled Y0 so I'll be taking here the complement so here we get the equation as x1 plus y1 complement and here we have the AND gate x0 y0 complement now just write down the equation for z z क्या हो गया आपके पास, this is coming out to be x1 and y1 complement, first input for the OR gate, and second one is OR means plus, second one is x1, this is XOR, I'm so sorry, this is XOR, I missed this, so this is XOR gate, XNOR, it's XNOR, so it will be x1 XNOR y1, x1 XNOR y1. You didn't point it out. x1 XNOR y1. Okay, so here we are getting x1 XNOR y1, and this is x naught y naught complement, that is the second term. This is the equation. Now we want z to be equal to 1. Here we have the OR gate, that means first condition has to be 1 और second condition will be 1. This is OR. या तो ये 1 हो, first term 1 हो या second term 1 हो. So if first term has to be 1, कौन से case में 1 आएगा? This is AND. That means we will be getting the output as 1 जब दोनों की value 1 होगी. This means that we want 1 into 1, then only it will be returning 1. So this clearly indicates that the value of x1 is 1 and the value of y complement to be 1. अगर y complement की value 1 चाहिए, from this we can conclude that y1 will be equal to 0. Right? Or second condition can be 1. Anyhow, if you look for this condition, x1 is, we will be getting this term as 1 when x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to 0. That means x1 is greater than y1. Because 1 is greater than 0. So if you check for the condition x is greater than y, so this condition seems to be the correct one. X is less than y? No. X is equal to y? No. X is not equal to y? No. Make sense? Moreover, if you want here 1, अगर हमें यहाँ पे 1 चाहिए, so x1, when both the inputs are same, then we will be getting the output as 1. So here x1 and y1 will be 1. Similarly here, this term has to be 1. यानी कि x0 की value कब आएगी? 1. We want overall answer as 1. So this will be 1 when x0 is 1 and y0 complement is 1. This means that y0 should be 0. So from here also we are getting that x is greater than y. So doesn't matter whether we are getting the answer from the first term or from the second term, दोनों में से at least एक term तो 1 होनी चाहिए. So anyhow in both the cases we are getting x is greater than 1. So undoubtedly the answer for this question is it's option A. तो this is kind of different pattern. अभी तक gate में भी हमारे पास ऐसा pattern नहीं आया है. So this is also useful for the gate aspirants as well. तो जब भी आपको बेटा logic gate given हो, always get the equation on the basis of the given logic gates and then see that what they are asking for and just try to get the values or try to get the condition by substituting the values. Okay. Next question. This is also from digital logics and it's from the concept of the full adders. This is from full adders. It's given that in a 8-bit triple carry adder using identical full adders, each full adder takes 34 nanoseconds for computing the sum. If the time taken for 8-bit addition is 90 nanoseconds, this means that the total time taken to perform 8-bit addition, that is given as 90 seconds, then the time taken by each full adder to find carry. I hope you remember the concept of the full adder. Basically what happens is, if this is the most significant bit, we have 8-bit addition, so that means आपके पास यहाँ पे 8 adders आएंगे. There will be 8-bit triple carry adders, so 8 adders will be there. Full adder में we have the input, for example A और B को आपने add करना है. So there will be the input line for A and there will be the input line for B. And from here, it will be producing. This is also the header. And here we have the first header. After addition of two numbers, we'll be getting the output as sum or carry. So I'm getting here sum and here carry. Here we are getting the sum and carry. Like this, we'll be getting the sum and the carry. Let me call this as A7, B7, A6, B6 because 8 bits are there. So I'm starting it from 0. A0, B0. After addition, we will be getting the sum and the carry. If carry is there, this will be behaving as the input carry. What I'm saying is, if let's say A is, I'm just taking the example for the 4 bits, 1, 0, 1, 1, and here I'm getting 0, 1, 0, 1. I just want to perform the addition here. So what will happen? In the first case, जब आप least significant bits को add करोगे, there is no input carry. There is no input carry, so we'll be getting just 0 here. So we just have two inputs here. But from next full adder onwards, we'll be getting the third bit as well, that is the input carry. Do both, ma'am. We'll try the question first for 1 minute. Okay. So I'll leave it up to you. Let me just give you the idea that how this ripple carry adder. Okay, Prashant? I'll definitely provide the solution because I know that there are few people, those who have not covered digital. So that's why I'm just giving you the idea that how this triple carry header works. And then again, you will be reading the statement and you'll be trying the question. Okay. So here the input is coming up. This carry will be behaving as the input here. So here you can use half header or full header क्योंकि third input नहीं है. Half header में we just have two inputs. So this is half header. Now this onwards will be having the full headers. और input carry कैसे आएगा? Ripple means एक एक करके given to the next header, then it is going to generate the carry. Then in the next clock cycle, it will be forwarded to the next one. So that's why this is known as the ripple header. So just now try this, read the information again that what is given and what they are asking for. Here number of ripple carry header are given as it's 8-bit. You have 1 minute to return the answer. Just think logically, ripple carry header. I want all of you to participate in the discussion. It will be great if you all will be participating in the discussion. It will be more interactive. आपको भी sessions में मजा आएगा. Even I'll also enjoy the sessions. Anyone got the idea? 8-bit triple carry header using identical full headers. So the value of n is 8. Each full header takes 34 nanoseconds for computing sum. This means that some delay is given as some delay is given as 34 nanoseconds. If the time taken for 8-bit addition is, so total time is given as 90 nanoseconds. Find the time taken by each full adder to find carry. That means we are supposed to find out carry delay. Carry delay. So this is C delay. This is what we have to calculate. So what will be the formula? Total time kitna hoga? That is equal to the time taken to produce the sum as well as carry. और जो ये carry है, this is ripple carry adder. So if 8 bits are there, तो last वाला जो होगा यहाँ से carry को move नहीं करना है. So it's only the 7 adders जहाँ से carry एक एक करके move करेगा. So this is some delay plus n minus 1 general formula. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है value, that is 7 into carry delay. Now just substitute the values. Total delay is given as 90 nanoseconds. Everything is in nanoseconds, so I'm not writing the units. Some delay is given as 34 nanoseconds plus, okay, let me write it, 7 into carry delay. From this, can you calculate the value of carry delay? Yes. So it comes out to be carry delay is equal to 90 minus 34 comes out to be 56 nanoseconds divided by 7, and this comes out to be 8 nanoseconds. So correct answer for this question is it's option D. Make sense? Easy? Guys, I'll be sharing this PDF in the Telegram group, that is Shefali ma'am Testbook. Even session start होने से पहले मैं हर YouTube session का link भी share करती हूँ इस Telegram group में. So if you are new on this platform, you can subscribe for the channel. You can join the Telegram group to get updated and to get the PDF. तो PDF आपको subject wise, topic wise questions मिल जाएंगे, so that it will be helpful when you'll be revising the concepts subject by subject. Okay. So daily PDF of all the YouTube sessions are available in this Telegram group. You can ask your doubts in the Telegram group, or if anybody else is asking the doubt, you can also participate in the discussion. Apart from that, you can directly interact with me. Quiz and polls will also be conducted in this group. Okay. So be a part of this Telegram group, and its link is given in the description box. Just go through it. Otherwise, you can search for Shefali ma'am Testbook. Next one, this is based on multiplexes. Very easy question. यहाँ पे मुझे आपको कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन या कोई भी आइडिया देने की जरूरत नहीं है. सिंपली आपको मल्टीप्लेक्सर गिवन है, देन जस्ट गेट द इक्वेशन एंड चेक करो कि ये इक्वेशन किसकी आ रही है. सो द फॉलोइंग मल्टीप्लेक्सर सर्किट इज equivalent to, here you are given with the 4 options. You have 30 seconds to try this question. लुक्स लाइक सिर्फ प्रशांत को इसरो का एग्जाम देने हैं, बाकी लोग पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट इवन गिविंग द कंफर्मेशन कि समझ में आया है नहीं समझ में आया है. Anyone got the idea? So here the input is C, this is C complement, this is C complement, and this is C. 0, 0 means A naught, A complement, B complement, A complement B, AB, and AB complement, right? Now get the equation for output Y. This comes out to be A complement B complement C, A complement B complement C plus A complement B and C complement plus AB complement C complement plus ABC. Okay. Now from these two terms, we can take, just simplify this equation. From these two terms, I can take A complement common, and here we'll get B complement C plus BC complement. From these two terms, I can take A common. This comes out to be B complement C complement plus BC. This B complement C plus BC complement is nothing but this is B XOR C plus B complement C complement plus B and C. So this is XNOR B. We know that XOR and XNOR are complement of each other if the number of inputs are even. So we can write this as A complement B XOR C plus A. This can be written as B XNOR C, right? That is XNOR. Now, if you are considering this as X complement, so this is X complement Y, and here we are getting XY complement. So ultimately this comes out to be A XOR B XOR C. This is what we are getting the final output. Now, is this the sum equation for full adder? Yes, full adder के लिए sum equation क्या होती है? It's A XOR B plus A XOR B XOR C. So A is the right one. Carry equation for full adder? No. Carry equation नहीं है. Borrow equation for full subtractor? No. Difference equation of a full subtractor? Yes. Sum for full adder and difference for full subtractor equation is A XOR B XOR C. So in this case, option A and D both are correct. Okay. Next question. Anyone having any doubt in this one? So what I have done is I have simply written the equation for this one. I have simplified it, and I'm just looking that this is the equation for which of the scenario for a full adder or full subtractor. Next question, this is also from the digital, and here we are given with the inputs and the current state and the next state. We have to identify that which of the following expresses the next state in terms of XY for the current state. Just consider the various cases. Get the equation, simplify it. दो तरीके simplification के, you can go for simplification of the expression by following the laws, and other one is using the K-map. So it's completely your choice how you wanna minimize the given expression. A new flip-flop with the inputs x and y has the following property. So you are given with a table, and we have to represent that which of the following expressions the next state in terms of x, y, and current state. So what will be that? You can construct here the table for the current state. Current state inputs are x, y, qn, and on the basis of this we will be getting the next state. I'm representing the next state as q of n plus 1. Plus 1 means we are going for the next state. So how many combinations are possible? It's 0, 0, q, n, current state. This value can be 0, 0, 0, this value can be 1. Next one is 0, 1, 0, 1. Current state can be 0, 0, 1. Current state can be 1. Then is 1, 1. Current state can be 0, 1, 1. Current state can be 1. Then is 1. I hope this is not going behind the image. It will be going behind the image. Anyways, for this question, I will hide the image. So 1, 0, this can be 0, 1, 0, this can be 1. Now next state is given. It is saying that 0, 0 a value, so obviously the output is fixed, that is 1 only. So here we'll be getting 1 as the output. If it is 0, 1, in this case it's returning q complement, यानी कि जो भी current state की value है उसका complement आएगा. Here the value is 0, so complement will be 1. Here the value is 1, so the complement will be 0. Next one, for case of 1, 1, this will be 0 and 0. For the case of 1, 0, it will be same as that of the current state. If the value of the current state is 0, I guess it's going behind the image. Just give me a minute. Okay, hope it's visible now. So for 1, 0, it is based on the current state. Agar value q hai, then it will be returning q. Agar yahan pe 0 hai, then it will be returning 0. And if it is 1, then it will be returning 1. Yes? Now, just simplify this equation. What values you'll be getting here for the current state, right? Can you simplify it? If yes, quickly do it. Answer is A. Very good. So when you'll be writing here the equation, so next state comes out to be, it is x complement y complement plus x complement y q complement, then is xy plus xy complement into q. Simplify this equation. So basically we are getting x complement y complement plus x complement y q complement plus xy complement q. Just mark the terms in the K map. This is 0, x, y and q. This is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So 0, 0, 0 के corresponding we are getting 1. Equation लेके simplify कर लो या फिर directly from the K map just enter the values. This is for 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Then is 0, 1, 0. This is also 1 and finally 1, 0, 1. So this is 1, 0, 1. So for this, I have just from the next state, when it corresponding positions hai, I have marked 1 here. Now simply go for the grouping. So this is one group and this is another group. So this is nothing but it's y complement q and this is x complement and q complement. X complement and q complement. Just check for the option. This is nothing but it's option A. So it's up to you whether you want to write the equation and simplify or directly जो आपके पास state table बने उससे K map बना लो and get the answer. So yeah, so in this one we have also talked about K-map as well. Make sense? Easy? Next question. This is from the properties of delete and truncate commands in DBMS. Very, very easy. No calculation is required. Property या तो आती होगी या नहीं आती होगी. So what will be the answer? Properties of delete and truncate commands indicate. Delete क्या represent करता है और truncate क्या represent करता है? Or can somebody tell me that what type of commands delete and truncate are? कौन सी category में आती है? What are the differences between delete and truncate? C. Okay. Yes, C is the right answer. But अगर आप देखोगे A and C are same. C बोल रहे after the deletion, after the execution of delete operation, we can go for the commit or rollback. Rollback means if we want to retrieve the lost data. जबकि ट्रंकेट में दिस इज नॉट अलाउड. ट्रंकेट में आप रोल बैक नहीं कर सकते. सो सी इज करेक्ट. ए में क्या बोल रहा है? आफ्टर द एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ ट्रंकेट ऑपरेशन कमिट एंड रोल बैक स्टेटमेंट्स कैन नॉट बी परफॉर्म. बिल्कुल ट्रंकेट ऑपरेशन के बाद हम कमिट या रोल बैक नहीं कर सकते, जबकि डिलीट में दिस इज अलाउड. सो ए इज ऑल्सो सेइंग द सेम थिंग व्हाट ऑप्शन सी इज सेइंग, राइट? DCL. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस DCL? और इनमें से कौन सा ऑपरेशन DCL है या दोनों DCL है? ऑब्वियसली दोनों तो DCL नहीं है. सो विच वन इज DCL? After the execution of delete and truncate operation, no retrieval is possible for the lost data. Delete के केस में हम retrieve कर सकते हैं. So this is incorrect. After the execution of delete and truncate operation, retrieval is easily possible for the lost data. In case of truncate, it is not allowed. So B cannot be the answer. Answer for this question is it's option C. Basically what happens is truncate is going to log the complete table, whereas delete is just going to log that particular row. Okay, so it's just controlling the row, whereas truncate is controlling the complete table. So definitely if it's deleted, then it cannot be retrieved. हम उसको roll back नहीं कर सकते. So A and C are saying the same thing. So answer for this question is it's option A and C. Next one is again from the digital. I guess from DBMS, total 4 questions were asked in ISRO 2020, which was conducted in the month of January. And from digital, 7 to 8 questions were asked. तो इसलिए आपको frequency digital के questions की ज़्यादा दिख रही होगी. Okay. All right. Next one. Consider the following circuit, and here you have to return the output. So it's almost similar to question number 1. जो आज वाले session में हमने first question किया था. It's kind of similar to that. So you have to get the equation, simplify the equation to get the answer. I'm giving you 1 minute. I'll be waiting for your response for next 1 minute, and after that I'll discuss the solution. Are you all getting the idea that what we are doing and what sort of questions were asked in year 2020? Anyone trying this question? Okay, let me solve it. So we are given with the NAND gate on the inputs A and B. So it will be A and B not. This is E. This is F. Here we are getting C XOR C NOR or लेकर not ले लिया NOR D, and here we are given with the AND gate. So for the first AND gate we will be getting the output as A and B complement, and second input is E. Here we are getting the input as E and F. Here we are getting the input as F and C plus D XOR, और यहाँ पे complete NOR given है, so we can write the equation. For example, this is Y. I'm calling this as Y. So Y comes out to be A and B dot E plus EF plus C plus D complement and F. And this is complete NOR, so I'll be taking here the complement of all these terms. Now we know that De Morgan law says that if we are given that AB whole complement, this is expanded as A complement plus B complement. And if we are given that, we are given with the NOR gate, A plus B whole complement, this is nothing but this is equal to A complement and B complement. So just substitute, just use the De Morgan's law here. So this will be AB complement E whole complement plus will be converted to and. This is one term. This is EF whole complement, and this is another term. Third term that is coming here is and whole complement. Yes. So now simplify it. This will be AB complement plus E complement. Here we are getting E complement plus F complement. This is second term. Third term will be C plus D complement plus F complement. Now elaborate this. Complement se complement will be cancelled out. So here we'll be getting AB plus, where is this? AB plus E complement. बस आपको सिंप्लीफाई करना है, जैसे मर्जी कर लो. F complement C plus D plus F complement. Elaborate this. It will be AB E complement plus ABF complement. I'm just elaborating these brackets, plus E complement plus E complement F complement, and this is about first two brackets, and remaining terms are C plus D plus F complement. Simplify this. If you consider these three terms, if I'll be taking E complement common will be getting here AB plus 1 plus F complement plus ABF complement. And second term is coming as it is, that is C plus D plus F complement. 1 plus anything is, if one of the input is true, तो और के case में whole input will be true. So here this term comes out to be 1. ये term 1 हो जाएगी. I hope it's not going behind the image. Actually it is going. Okay. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? ये पूरी की पूरी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 आया तो ये पूरी की पूरी टर्म 1 होगी. So it comes out to be E complement. This term is 1. This complete term becomes 1. So we are just left with E complement, ABF complement, and this term will be coming as it is. If you check for the options, this is nothing but this is option B. So the answer for this question is it's option B. So again, this was based on the minimization of the circuit diagram. It's not option C, it is option B. Is this clear? If yes, then let's move on to the next question. Guys, quickly give me the confirmation if it is clear. I'll be sharing this PDF in your Telegram group in another 5 minutes, not in another 5 minutes. After completing the session, after ending the session, I'll be taking 5 minutes to share this PDF in the Telegram group. तो आपको ये सारे solutions detail में मिल जाएंगे. In fact, whatever I'm writing, this ink will also be included. So don't worry about the solutions. Okay, next one, very good question. Here we have to identify the minimum number of NAND gates required to implement the following binary equation. So you are given with a binary equation. This is of SOP format or POS format. How to find out the minimum number of NAND or NOR gates required? Usually NAND or NOR दोनों पे आ सकते हैं question. We know that NAND and NOR gates are the universal logic gates. That means any expression can be implemented using the NAND or the NOR gates. So it's asking for the minimum number of NAND gates. तो logic क्या है इसके पीछे? What is the logic behind these type of questions? Okay. Yes, Nitish, A is the right answer. You're right. See, guys, जब भी आपसे NAND gate पूछा है ना, तो that means somewhere you will be given with the SOP expression. If not, you have to convert the expression to the SOP format. SOP is sum of products. What is that sum of products? What is sum of products? Like AB plus CD. This is of the format. पहले आपने product लिया first level पे and then we are taking the sum. So first of all, we are taking the product means here this is represented as and or circuit. Yes. Why I'm calling this as and or circuit? First of all, I'm taking A and B. Then I'm taking C and D, A, B, C, D, and then we are taking the OR, right? So this is known as AND OR gate because at the first level, we are using the AND gates. At the second level, we are using the OR gates. Make sense? So if you are given with the SOP expression, you are given with the expression which is represented as AND OR circuit diagram, then easily we can convert this to NAND gates. कैसे NAND gates में convert होता है? NAND is the complement of AND. So if I'll be taking complement of anything twice, it gets cancelled out. So if I'm taking here complement, so this is nothing but this is NAND gate now. This is converted to NAND gate. Overall expression पे कोई फर्क नहीं आया क्योंकि मैंने दो बार complement लिया है. I'm using this bubble twice. So this is a NAND gate. And we know that bubbled OR is equivalent to NAND gate. Bubbled OR, this is bubbled OR and this is equivalent to NAND gate. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा, if any confusion is there, just consider that I'm taking the bubbled OR. Bubbled means दोनों का complement लेने, दो inputs हैं, A complement and B complement, दोनों का complement लिया and this is OR. According to De Morgan's law, this is representing what? This is A and B complement. So this is what we are saying here is, here we are taking the NAND of AB. So bubbled OR is equivalent to NAND gate. Make sense? Similarly, if you have bubbled AND, this is bubbled AND is equivalent to bubbled AND, this is equivalent to NOR gate. This is equivalent to NOR gate. So this is the concept that we'll be using for returning the minimum number of NAND gates. Is this concept clear? गाइज ये क्लियर हुआ? मैंने इस क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड अभी कुछ नहीं किया. आई हैव जस्ट गिवन यू द ओवरव्यू दैट व्हाट इज इट रिप्रेजेंटिंग. So if I start solving this expression, this is given as A complement plus B complement C plus D. I can write A complement plus B complement as A and B complement. And here we have C plus D. As of now, I am not doing anything. So just consider this as X. Okay, this is X. I'm assuming that X is equal to, इसको एक बार के लिए साइड पे निकाल देते हैं. And in this case, one NAND gate is required. One NAND gate required. Now simplify this expression. This comes out to be X into C plus D. So we want, and here for that what we'll be doing here is we need to take the complement, right? So how will you be taking the complement? I'm just going to open the bracket. It comes out to be XC plus XD. I'm applying, I'm taking the complement of both. So this comes out to be XC complement, and XD complement and whole complement. Right? Now, if you observe here, this is X and C complement. So this is one NAND gate and आया दोनों के बीच में. Here X and D complement. So one NAND gate is required here. And this is X, this is Y, बीच में and whole complement. So third NAND gate is required here. X was not there in the expression. For X, one NAND gate is required. So in total 4 NAND gates are required. Make sense? 4 NAND gates are required. So it's up to you how you are going to solve it. So answer is undoubtedly 4. Is this clear, guys? Let's move on to the next question. ABCD is a 4-bit binary number. Then what is code generated by the following circuit? Very easy. So you are given with a circuit diagram. If you know that what it is doing, then easily you can return the answer without solving it. If you don't know, then consider the circuit diagram and try to get the value. Okay, very good. Yes, B is the right answer. That is pre-code. So basically what it is doing, if you're given with some binary numbers, let's assume that the bits are A, B, C and D. This is representing A is going as it is for W. For X, this is A XOR B. This is taking the XOR A XOR B, and this is returning X. For Y, it's taking B XOR C, and it's returning Y. C XOR D is returning Z. So what is this? This is nothing but this is what we get for the gray code. If you have any confusion, just consider the values. So let's assume that I'm taking the binary numbers, 4-bit binary numbers 0000001, 0010, Okay, so this is some sequence of the binary number. If I'm going to find out the gray code, तो इसने क्या बोले? If this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, I'm getting some code W, X, Y, and Z. So A is returned as it is, so that is 0. 0 XOR 0 is, XOR के case में output is 1 when both the inputs are different. यहाँ पे same है, so it will be 0, inputs are same. A will be copied as it is, then B. It is X is getting the value A XOR B, 0 XOR 0 is 0, then 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1, both the inputs are different, so it will be 1. Next, 0 will be coming as it is, 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1, both the inputs are different, so we'll be getting here 1. 1 XOR 0, inputs are different, so 1. Next, 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. If you see here, first two bits are not changing, but here we are getting 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So this is nothing but this is a unidistant code. And we know that gray code is a unidistant code. So corresponding to the given binary sequence, we are getting the sequence of the gray code. So unidistant code, or you can call this as, on the basis of this, we have observed that your circuit diagram is returning the gray code. So undoubtedly the answer for this question is its option B, that is gray code. So there are multiple ways. अगर आपको equations देख के समझ में आ गया, then you need not to consider these bits or the binary sequence. Otherwise, question गलत करने से better है example consider कर लो and solve. Next one. If every non-key attribute functionally dependent on the primary key, then the relation will be in first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and fourth normal form. I guess 10 seconds will be more than sufficient to return the answer for this question. Guys, what will be the answer? This is from DBMS. If every non-key attribute functionally dependent on the primary key, हर non-key attribute dependent है primary key पे, तो relation कौन सी normal form में होगा? Very good. No. People are returning B. Is B the closest answer? First normal forms simply says that first normal form क्या बोलता है कि आपके पास जो भी attributes होंगे those will be atomic, indivisible. तो जब भी हम relational database की बात करते हैं it is always indivisible, right? तो हमेशा first normal form में होते हैं. Second normal form says that non-primary attribute, no partial dependency. Basically it says that no partial dependency. Partial dependency कब होती है? No partial dependency. All of you are getting incorrect answer for this question. No partial dependency. Partial means part of a key. Partial term से समझ में आ रहा है? Part of a key is determining non-prime attribute. This is known as partial dependency, and this is not allowed in 2NF. This is not allowed in 2NF. Here it is saying that every non-key attribute, non-prime attribute, non-key attribute is dependent on a primary key. So definitely it will be in 2NF. Correct है 2NF में होगा. Won't it be in 3NF? 3NF में हमने क्या बोला था? कोई भी डिपेंडेंसी 3NF में कब होगी? जब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे की है या फिर राइट हैंड साइड पे प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट है. इट इज सेइंग दैट अब हमारे पास नॉन की एट्रीब्यूट है, यानी कि राइट हैंड साइड पे प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट तो नहीं मिल रहा, बट एवरी नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द प्राइमरी की. दिस मीन्स दैट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड विल बी गेटिंग अ की. So according to this definition, it will be in 3NF also. अगर हम रिवर्स वे में बात करें, अगर कोई भी रिलेशन BCNF में है तो वो 3NF में भी होगा, 2NF में भी होगा, 1NF में भी होगा. If any relation is in 3NF, surely it will be in 2NF and 1NF also. तो यहाँ पे अगर आपके पास 3NF में है तो 2NF गलत नहीं है, but this is not the most appropriate normal form. This is not the closest answer. तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे आंसर B ऑप्ट नहीं करेंगे, will be opting for C. Basically what happens is you have all the relations जहां पे atomic value नहीं है और कोई condition check नहीं की, so it is in 1NF। इसके अंदर there will be some relations which will be in 2NF। फिर हमने कुछ condition apply की, that is representing the relations in 3NF। BCNF is also right. Exactly, BCNF is also right because on it's saying that on the left hand side we are having the key attribute. Right, on the left hand side of the dependency we are having the key attribute, but BCNF is not given in the options. So most accurate answer is third normal form. BCNF will also be right, but option में नहीं है। Make sense? So 2NF में है, बिल्कुल 2NF की कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं, बट आंसर इज नॉट 2NF। अगर आप एग्जाम में 2NF ऑप्ट करते हो, डेफिनेटली इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज द इनकरेक्ट आंसर। ये समझ में आया? So I guess you guys were comfortable with the definition of second normal form, but you missed here one point. Next and the last question for today's session. You are given with the SQL query and you have to return that what will be the output here. You have 1 minute to think about this query. And apart from that, if you guys have any doubt or issue or any problem, please feel free to write in the chat section because this is the last question from today's session. After that, I'll be ending the session. उसके बाद फिर हम लोग मिलेंगे next week में, next weekend rather. Select columns from table. We know that the execution of a SQL query starts from the from clause because first step is to identify that what relations we need to consider. In the from clause, it's saying that table A is joined with the table B by right outer join. All the options are visible? No. I guess B or A completely visible nahi hoga. Now it must be visible. Quickly return the answer for this question. So first of all, what we are doing is we are performing the right outer join on table A and table B. Table A and we are given with the table B. Right outer join means जो right side पे table है इसकी सारी entries आएंगी. अगर match होता है A के साथ, then those entries will be there. अगर match नहीं होता है, then it will contain the null value. So this is going to return C. C means all rows in table B which meets the equality condition. और जहां पे equality condition match नहीं होती, all rows in table B which meets the equality condition above and none from table A which meets the condition. Is it? No. You're missing here one point. Where clause is also given. So first preference will be given to the join from. उसके बाद हम condition apply करेंगे. Now, first of all, we are performing the right outer join on table A and B. So this will be returning the rows of B and all the rows of B and where सारी rows आएंगी B की, but जहां पे matching नहीं हो रही, where not matching the values, जहां पर matching नहीं हो रही, वहां पे it will set the value to null, not matching the values, set the value of A's column to null. जहां पे मैचिंग नहीं हो रही वहां पे वैल्यू नल सेट कर देंगे. After that, we are imposing here a condition. यहाँ पे condition आपने miss कर दिया. We are imposing here a condition on A. कैसे? By comparing it with the value null. So this will be getting, here will be getting all rows where A dot column name, A की value क्या होनी चाहिए? Null. Right? Where, which are nothing but ये A की वैल्यू नल कब आएगी? जब आपके पास कोई केस मैच नहीं हुआ, B की वैल्यू मैच नहीं हुई. बट all B tables row which are failed to match. A की वैल्यू नल कब होगी? जब B की वैल्यू के साथ मैच नहीं हुआ. failed to match. हमें सिर्फ वो रोज सेलेक्ट करनी है. आपके पास रिजल्टेंट टेबल में कौन सी रोज आएंगी जो ये कंडीशन को फुलफिल कर रही है. ये कंडीशन कब फुलफिल होगी? जब बी के साथ वैल्यू मैच नहीं हुई. राइट? इट इन ऑप्शन ए इट इज सेइंग दैट all rows in B, सारी रोज आएंगी B की which meets the equality condition. इक्वालिटी वाली तो बाहर हो गई ना बच्चे. जब इक्वालिटी मैच हो जाएगी तो कॉलम ए की वैल्यू नल नहीं होगी. सो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. ऑल रोज इन ए, क्या ए की सारी रोज आएंगी? ए में भी कुछ रोज तो मैच करेंगी, तो सारी रोज कैसे आ सकती है? ऑल द रोज ऑफ ए कैन नॉट बी प्रेजेंट. ऑल द रोज इन टेबल बी विच मीट्स द इक्वालिटी, इक्वालिटी को तो बाहर निकाल दिया. दिस इज रिटर्निंग विच आर फेल्ड टू मैच. इक्वालिटी इज नॉट देयर. ऑल रोज इन टेबल ए विच मीट्स द इक्वालिटी, नहीं. इनमें से ही हमारे पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो रोज आ रही है जो मैच नहीं हुई. तो इट्स नॉट रिटर्निंग ईदर ऑल द रोज ऑफ द टेबल ए और टेबल बी. यू गेट इट? तो व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर? सारी ऑप्शंस गलत है. सो इट्स नन ऑफ दी. So it's none of these. Yes. So yeah, this is all about this session. So we have covered the questions from ma'am. Where is the Telegram link? I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Okay. So you can join the Telegram group. I'm sharing my screen. I hope that that's visible. Screen is visible. I don't think it is visible. Hope it's visible now. Okay. So when you go to the video जो अभी इस time पे चल रही है, so just scroll it down, go to the description. I'm going to the description. It's good. Some but few people have already liked the session. और जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया, please they can also do that. It really gives me a lot of motivation. So first link is for the NIC batch. I guess it's not useful for you guys, but if you want to have a look over the sessions of NIC, you can follow this masterclass series. It will take you to the Testbook platform, but definitely there is no fee for these sessions. Second one is for joining the NIC Super Coaching. Third link, just look at the third link. This is join Gate Super Coaching Telegram. So as of now, I have not created a separate channel for ISRO because ISRO का जो syllabus है that is same as that of the GATE. So these sessions will be beneficial for GATE aspirants also, और जो GATE वाले sessions है वो ISRO वालों के लिए beneficial है. So I'll recommend you to join this channel, okay, this group, so you can follow this link. And if you want to join this GATE Super Coaching, so you can follow this link and it will take you to the homepage of the test book, and there you can see that lot many options are available. You can go through the courses, full length courses are available from Gate Forum and Digimento, then Nimbus Learning, and fourth one is by me and my team. 250 plus videos are there. You can have a look over the rating. So definitely it's because you guys are liking the sessions, so rating वहीं से आती है. So it's you can go through it, and if you like कि आपने GATE की preparation नहीं की हुई or you are not comfortable with the concepts of the subjects, then you can go for it. Otherwise, simply follow the sessions जो मैं ले रही हूँ. Link will be shared in the Telegram group. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can post that in the Telegram group. That's fine. Okay. Any doubts or queries? Tomorrow, which subject? Let me tell you that in the next session, we'll be discussing the PYQs from operating systems and COA. And apart from that, what all subjects are left out? It's theory of computation and compiler design. So you just tell me that should I go for all the subjects? Should I cover all the subjects for 2020, then other subjects? और चार चार करके subjects खत्म करने हैं, चार subjects prepare कर लिए for 20, 19, 18 like this. Then we'll take another set of papers, other set of subjects. Both are okay for me. You just decide whether you want to go through all the subjects at a time और कुछ कुछ subjects करके cover करने. Yes, all subjects, please. So we have, as of now, we have discussed the questions from data structures, algorithm, and C programming. Then we have covered digital and DBMS. We are left with the questions from OS, COA, computer networks, theory of computation, compiler design. So these subjects will be covered in the next week. Per day, one subject, please. One subject. Okay, but we don't get enough number of questions. Like अगर मैं आज DBMS के questions लेती तो हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 ही questions होते. So I have to take at least 10 to 12 questions for one session because 1 hour का session होता है. So sometimes not much questions are there. तो उस case में हम ये कर सकते हैं. I can take the questions from other years also. Okay. Thank you so much, Prashant. Let me share the schedule. You can join that also. Monday to Friday, I'm taking 2 sessions. One on the YouTube. If you're not comfortable with the concepts of the syllabus or concepts किसी भी subject के, majorly syllabus gate वाला है, so you can join these YouTube sessions. Daily I'm having the session at 4 p.m. This is also 1 hour session, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And under the session, I'm covering the concepts. And on the basis of this, I'm taking a masterclass, which is at 8 p.m. This is free. You need not to pay anything for this. Anyhow, both the sessions are free. So it's from 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And under this masterclass, I'm covering the previous year questions of the concepts which we are covering on the YouTube. For example, जो concept हमने Thursday को discuss किया था या Monday को discuss करेंगे, PYQs हम Wednesday या Thursday को करेंगे ताकि आपको बीच में 2 दिन का time मिल जाए to revise the concepts. और इससे क्या होगा, आपके PYQs gate वाले भी cover हो जाएंगे. और इसरो में काफी सारे questions previous year gate questions आते हैं. So I strongly recommend you guys to solve at least last 20-year papers of the GATE exam if you are if you really want to crack the ISRO exam. क्योंकि आप exam में solve concepts हैं आपके पास, आप exam में solve कर लोगे, but ISRO exam में थोड़ा सा speed का issue रहते हैं. Okay, तो time constraint को थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखो. So you can join these sessions. These will be very, very beneficial for you guys if you are preparing for the ISRO exam. And Saturday and Sunday, I'm taking 2 sessions. These sessions, both the sessions are on YouTube. One is for GATE people, GATE aspirants, and other one is targeting on the ISRO. In the GATE, okay, timing for this session is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Whereas for ISRO, this is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. I purposefully set this to 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. because on weekends sometimes you have to go out with your friends or something like that. So by 9 p.m. anyhow, you all get free after having your dinner. Easily you can attend these sessions. And those who have not filled the ISRO form yet, so guys, please fill it क्विकली लास्ट मोमेंट तक चीजें नहीं रखनी चाहिए बिकॉज एंड पे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है तो हो सकता है कि 3 साल के बाद वैकेंसी आई और फॉर्म फिल करने के चक्कर में निकल जाए सो डोंट डू दैट ऑल्दो डेडलाइन इज फॉर 14th June बट कोशिश करो इस वीक में आप भर लो इसको and maximum age limit is 28 years. 47 vacancies are there. After 3 years we'll be having the exam. इससे पहले January 2020 में हुआ था. Kindly share the PDF of today's class, ma'am. I'll share that in another 5 minutes in our Telegram group. That is Shefali ma'am Testbook. Link आपको पता चल गए. So just join there and I'll be sharing the PDF. Any other query? I'm so sorry. I guess I forgot to change my screen और आपने भी नहीं बोला कि I'm still on that page only. Wait a minute. I forgot to show this slide. I was writing it and I didn't realize that still the screen is the one which I was sharing with you guys. Guys, is there any doubt or query? So here is the complete schedule. कल मंडे है तो मंडे को हमारा सेशन होगा 4 p.m. पे एंड I'll be starting with the concepts of divide and conquer approach and its applications. You need not to cram the reconciliations or the complexities. तो already हमने आज और कल वाले सेशन में वीकेंड पे we have discussed both all the three methods for solving the reconciliation, substitution method, recursive tree method and master's theorem. आज वाले सेशन में मैंने एक्सटेंडेड मास्टर्स थ्योरम भी डिस्कस की है सो इफ यू हैड मिस दैट सेशन यू कैन फॉलो द रिकॉर्डेड सेशन इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू गाइज so tomorrow we will be starting with the concepts of divide and conquer approach, that is the first algorithm designing technique, and in the previous year questions we'll be solving the questions for locking and concurrency control protocols. Okay, so that will be timestamp based protocols, lock based protocols. PYQs will be covered from DBMS. So if you want to join the session you can join it. Yes, you forgot. I realized it later. I'm sorry for that. Please take the class regularly. As of now, we'll be having the sessions on the weekend. Once we get to know the date of the exam, then we'll start with the regular sessions. Okay. Abhi ke liye idea is to take the sessions on the weekends. Reason behind that is so that you guys get to know that what sort of questions they are asking, what all things you need to prepare for ISRO 2023. तो आप थोड़ी सी अपनी self study start करो and weekend पे we will meet and we'll discuss your queries, your doubts. आप अपनी Telegram group में भी भेज सकते हो queries. So I'll take those questions in the live sessions और आपको examples के साथ clarity मिल जाएगी. Okay? I guess there is no other query. So shall I end the discussion? Because once it will be ended, I won't be able to restart it again. Great. So thank you so much, guys. God bless you. Good night. Take care. I'll see you on Saturday. But if you are free, then I'll suggest you to go through these sessions, join these sessions, ताकि आपका एक schedule बन जाए and you revise the concepts as well. Okay. Thank you, guys. In another 5 minutes, your PDF will be in the Telegram group, and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Okay. Like this video if it was useful. Bye bye. God bless you.